An army of rodents with he at the helm. He toppled the old king, brought peace to the realm. Handsome and fearless and brilliant and tall, beloved by humans, he tends to us all. Our dearest King Ludo, he tends to us all.
Oh, yes, this is wonderful. Let's hear it from Miss Bucket and the Muni's Youth Choir. Yeah? They were good. Huh? Oh, you're right. You're right, they were a touch off key. Levitato! Singing with the angels. Play me off, boys.
Throne room, sir.
Full steam, Manfred.
Yes'm.
Reminds me to Levitato Manfred. It is catchy. Huh? Ah! Manfred, my most trusted ally, I need you.
Where's my dad?
Star Butterfly?
Where's my dad?
Are you out of your mind? Right now? Oh, it's not a good time.
You're talking to your hand, dude.
Hold on, I have to take this. Look, this is not a good time to have this conversation. Okay, so my hand says I can't destroy you, so I have to put you in the dungeon.
For the last time, where is my dad?
Didn't you hear the song? Oh, I defeated him. I levitatoed him, and now I'm king.
You what? Ta-ta-ta-to-ta-ta-to?
Levitato. Tatato, Tato, Levitato. You're Princess of Beauty and you don't even know Levitato?
You don't know, do you? You're being controlled, Ludo.
You're right. You're right, I am being controlled. Controlled by my lust for power.
No, Ludo, you're being controlled by Toffee.
What? No, Toffee is dead. I did this. Me. See that? Me. And now I'm doing this too. Take her to the dungeon.
It's your war! Oh, you think you're so tough? Get back here, you jerks!
Marco? Star! Hi-ya! Ow. Okay, that was dumb. Probably should have used the keys.